Hey everyone, while Notion doesn't have a native drawing tool, combining it with Excalidraw on your iPad is the ultimate pro tip for 2026. Today, I'm showing you how to embed a live whiteboard you can sketch on with your Apple Pencil. Let's get into it. First, open your browser on your iPad and go to excalidraw.com. This is a free end-to-end encrypted whiteboard. Pick up your Apple Pencil and start sketching. You can draw shapes, write notes, or map out a flowchart. Because it's web-based, it recognizes the pressure and tilt of your Apple Pencil perfectly, giving you that organic, sketchy look. To get this into Notion, we need a link that actually saves your progress. Click the export icon, the arrow pointing up, or the share button in the top right. Select Shareable Link. This is crucial because a regular URL won't always save your data across devices. Once you click it, Canva/Excalidraw will generate a unique URL. Go ahead and copy it to your clipboard. Now, jump over to your Notion workspace. Tap where you want your drawing to live and type /embed. Paste your Excalidraw link and hit Embed Link. In a few seconds, your canvas will appear. If you're on your iPad, you can now tap directly on that embed with your Apple Pencil to continue drawing without ever leaving the Notion app. A quick 2026 update. If you make major changes to your drawing in a new session, remember to occasionally update your shareable link in Excalidraw and replace the link in Notion. This ensures that when you open your Notion page on a desktop or phone later, the very latest version of your masterpiece is what you see. Finally, let's make it look like it belongs there. Hover over the embed and use the side handles to expand the view. I love dragging these to full width so it feels like a native part of the page. You can even place it in a column next to your project notes to create a visual brain dump area right next to your typed tasks. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.